Good morning. Myself Kusma Mangadivi, Associate Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, Government First Grade College, Yelahanka. In the previous class, you learned about the meaning of the product, definition, classification of the products, that is consumer products and the industrial products, product line, etc. In this video, I will explain about the product mix. Product mix is the total products in the different product lines of a company. The company will be having a different product lines. The total of all the products in the different product lines put together is called as a product mix. So it is the list of all the products offered for sale by a company. The product line includes broad group of products intended for similar use and having similar physical characteristics. For example, soaps. If the company is manufacturing varieties of soaps, the varieties of soaps put together is called as a one product line. For example, the company is manufacturing soaps with jasmine, sandal, rose, neem, lemon. So it is offering the soaps with different ingredients, with different physical characteristics, but the product is same, that is soap. So this is called as a product line. Whereas product mix is a group of similar or consistent products marketed by the company. That is, if the company is manufacturing different products, for example, KSDL company, Karnataka Soaps and Detergents Limited, is manufacturing wide varieties of soaps, that is one product line. Varieties of detergents, it is the second product line, and varieties of agarbattis, third product line. So all the products put together from all the three product line is called as a product mix. American Marketing Association has defined product mix as the composite product offered for sale by a firm of a business unit. So how many products the company will going to offer for sale to its customer? All those products are called as product mix. According to W.J. Stanton, the product mix is the full list of all products offered for sale by a company. The structure of the product mix has two dimensions, breadth and depth. According to Stanton, the product mix is the full list of all products offered for sale by a company. But the two dimensions what Stanton explains, the breadth and the depth, is not only two dimensions. The product mix has got four dimensions actually. Breadth, depth, length, consistency, and inconsistency is also there. Therefore, it is clear that total products in different product lines constitute the product mix of the company. A product mix has four dimensions: width, length, depth, consistency, and according to some authors, inconsistency is also one of the dimension. Width is the total number of product lines of a company. Length is the total number of products in a company's product mix. Depth is the total number of product variations in the product line. Consistency indicates how product lines are related to one another. Let us discuss all the four dimensions and the inconsistency also, the fifth dimension, in detail in the next slides. width or breadth of product mix. The width of the product mix means the number of different product lines found within the company. So the company will be having the different product lines. In the previous example, KSDL example, the company is manufacturing soaps, detergents, agarbattis, etc. Each one is different product lines. So the total number of different product lines is called as width of the product mix. The width of the product mix is measured by the number of product lines carried on by the company. For example, Bajaj electrical products. It will going to produce bulbs, fluorescent lights, mixtures and mixies and grinders, toasters, scooters, pressure cookers and other electrical items. So each one is a product line. It is going to manufacture various bulbs in bulb product line. Various fluorescent lights, that is one product line. Mixtures, that is mixie, okay, that is another product line. So toaster, another product line. Scooters, another product line. So the total of the product line is called as the width of the product mix. Depth of product mix. The depth of product mix indicates the total average number of products in each product line. So average number of products in each product line is taken into consideration. In one product line, how many products are manufactured by the company? For example, in the previous example, the number of scooters manufactured by Bajaj company. So that is the depth. How many number of scooters will be manufactured? Different types of scooters. So that is the depth. So depth is measured by various assortments of sizes, colors, models, prices and quality offered within each product line. For example, HLL produces 10 variants of shampoos in shampoo line. So depth of the HLL products is 10 in the shampoo line. In one line, that is in one product line, how many products are manufactured? That is 10 types of shampoos. So 10 products are called as the depth of the product mix. Length of product mix. The length refers to the total number of items. So the total number of items only will be taken into consideration here. Produced by the company in all the product lines. In all the product lines, what is the total number of items produced is considered as a length of the product mix. In other words, the sum of total number of items in each product lines or total number of items in the product mix is called as length of the product. Consistency of product mix. Consistency of product mix indicates the similarities in different product lines. What similarity is there in different product lines offered by the company is called as a consistency. The relativeness or similarities between the two products. In other words, it refers to how closely the various product lines are related in end use in terms of consumer behavior, production requirements, channels of distribution, etc. For example, General Electric Company have an overall consistency in its products, that is electricity. General Electric Company is in manufacturing of airways, some electrical equipments, oil refineries, etc. But in all these, there is one common thing, that is electricity. It will use the electricity, or it is in rendering the services relating to electricity. So that is the consistency of the all the products manufactured by the General Electric Company. Inconsistency of product mix. In inconsistency of product mix, heterogeneity of product lines of a company is considered. That is, the products manufactured by the company may not be related with one another. It will be different. So the difference or heterogeneity will be taken into consideration. Tata companies, for example, produces Tata Motors and steel, chemicals. So they are having different sub groups such as Tata Motors, Tata Steel, Tata Chemicals, Tata Consumer Products, manufacturing the Tata Salt, you know very well Tata Salt, Tata Titan, the Titan watch, the Tata Capital, Tata Power, Tata Communications, Tata Consultancy Services. If you observe these Tata group of companies, it is in wide varieties of areas. So it is manufacturing the motor vehicles, it is into iron and steel industry, it is in the chemical industry, it is producing the consumer products, so it is producing the watch, so it is in the capital industry. So it is entirely different types of business it is doing. So it is called as heterogeneity of product lines. In this example, in this diagram, you can see the product line, different product lines. The three main product lines are there. That is product line 1, product line 2 and product line 3. In product line 1, the company is manufacturing 3 products. Product 1, product 2 and product 3. This product 1, product 2 and product 3 are called as depth of the product. That is product line depth. The company is offering the 2 sub products in the product line 3. So product subline 1, product subline 2. In each, the company is offering different types of products. So this is called as length. In each product line, how many total number of products the company is offering, it is called as length. And width is how many number of total lines the company is having. The total number of lines is product line 1, 2 and 3. So that is called as width of the company. As the company increases the width of the product mix, it indicates that the company is planning to increase its capital for improving the good reputation of the company. It wants to increase its presence in other product categories because it is increasing the width of the product mix. That is one more product line it is introducing in the market. As the company increases the depth of its product line, what is the depth? In the product line, the company is offering so many other products. If the company adds one more product, it is called as increasing the depth of its product mix. In that way, the company is planning to increase the patronage of buyers by widely differing the tastes and the needs. For example, Colgate, toothpaste. It will keep on adding one more different product in its toothpaste product line. So it want to seek the attention of the buyers and maintain the brand loyalty. So it is offering different tastes according to the needs of the customers. As the company increases the consistency of its product mix. For example, I told about the General Electric company. It is in the electricity field. The consistency is all its product is related with the electricity. If it adds one more product, so it is an indication that it is acquiring the reputation in the same particular area of business. As the company increases its length in different product lines, its main plan is to enter deeper into each of product market segments it serves. So it has got certain market segments. So it want to capture that market segments with its wide varieties of the addition of new products. The dimensions of the product mix. Changing the product item involves the issues whether to modify the existing product or adding the new product or dropping the product which is already produced by the company. So this is changing the product item. One product or one product item what the company has already offered, whether to modify it or if it is not accepted by the consumers, whether to drop it, that is not to manufacture that product and add one more product in its same place. Another dimension is changing the width of the product mix. It involves altering policy at the product line level, whether to deepen or shorten an existing product line. Deepen means the product is accepted. For example, I told about the Colgate toothpaste. It will keep on adding different types of toothpaste, that is deepening, increasing the depth. Shortening means some of the products are not accepted, are not liked by the consumers. It will be cut short. So which one is not liked by the consumer will be removed and different types of other products will be added. Changing the product mix involves the issues as to what product markets the company would enter or leave. So making the changes in the product mix will going to help the company in entering the market or to leave the market. If it is accepted by the customers, the company can be able to stay there by offering or adding one more product in its product line. If in that market segment or market area, the customers are not buying, the company may exit out of that market or market segment. There are various factors affecting the product mix. First one, technological developments. The technological developments has forced the companies to change their product mix. Whether to add the product or delete the product is mainly dependent on the technology. If the company wants to adopt the new technology, it will remove the old product with the old technology and add one more product with the new technology. Second one, research and development activities. The input of research and development also plays a vital role in the changes of existing product mix. If the company will put lot of efforts and do lot of research and develop new products, it can add one more product. If it is not spending much money on research and development, it can continue with the same products. Market changes. Market is the driving force of the product mix. Changes in interest of the consumers, fashion, outlook, income, and values seriously affect the product mix of the company. So all these market changes will make the company to either drop the product which is not demanded by the consumers or add one more product which is demanded by the consumers according to their taste, preference, income, etc. Factors affecting the product continuation. Manufacturing process. If the company can be able to manufacture one more product or one more product line, so it can be able to make the changes. It can make the changes. While producing one product, the company produces the byproduct. The company can think about converting this byproduct into another product. So manufacturing a product and with the byproducts, how the company can be able to manufacture another product will all going to make changes or will all going to affect the product mix. Long-term objectives. What is the long-term objective of the company will also going to affect the product mix of the company. The company will add new products to its existing product lines according to its plans. So if the company has got a plan, long run plan, that after 2 years one more product has to be added, after another 2 years another product has to be added. If there is a plan, objective of the company that it has to add different products, definitely its product mix will going to change. Next, competition. Competition is also an important factor which affects the product mix. If the competitors introduces new product which will be accepted by the consumers, means there is no option for this company. The company also should offer the product, change the product to meet the competitors' product. So to meet the competition, the company has to change the products or add one more product in its products mix. Next, advertisement policies, rules and regulations also plays a vital role in the changing of the product mix. How much advertisement the company will going to make, how much money the company is spending on advertisements plays a very important role, because advertisement will going to make the consumers purchase the product. If the customers are not purchasing, the company can think about advertising more and more, spending more money on advertising and making the consumer purchase the same product. In this way, it can improve the sales and it can maintain the same product mix. If it wants to make additional features, it will going to add for the product. It will add the additional features, modify the product, and through the advertisements, it will inform the customers that the product is modified and you can buy the product. But if the product is not accepted, the company can advertise in a different way. We have manufactured entirely new product with new technology, and in this case you are adding one more product or one more product line to the product mix. Business experience. Suppose if the company is having lot of experience, if it is a old company operating since many years, with its experience it can keep on adding new products as per the requirement of the customers. If it is a new company, adding a new product to its product line or adding a new product line will become little difficult. Financial position. If the company is financially sound, if it has got a capital to do the research, this we discussed already, it can be able to develop new products and it can offer more products to its product mix. Area of operation. If a company is in an industry where it can offer more products, then it can manufacture and it can release it in the market. If a company is good in manufacturing the smartphones, which is highly demanded in the consumer market nowadays, so it can manufacture smartphones with different features and offer to the customers. Brand loyalty. Sometimes a brand becomes so popular that it becomes easy for the company to add new products, whether it is a related product or unrelated products. Whatever the company offers, the customer is ready to accept because of the brand name. So if it is highly reputed company, whatever the product the company will going to offer, that brand will be accepted by the consumers. So in such a situation, the company has got an advantage of brand loyalty of consumers and it can keep on adding new products. The optimum product mix. The success of a company depends upon a determination of right number of products or optimum products in its product mix. But it is not an easy task. The company has to maintain those products which are required by the consumers, which are demanded by the consumers. It has to maintain, it has to produce and offer. If it is not required by the consumers, not demanded by the consumers, the company has to eliminate those products. So in this way, it can maintain the right number of products in its product mix, which is called as optimum product mix. The lack of required or necessary products in the product lines means whatever is required or necessary for the customers, those products are not produced by the company. This should be avoided by the company. In the same way, unnecessary products in its products line, that is, the company is already producing some products which are not necessary, which is not useful, which is not demanded by the consumers. So this is also the company should eliminate, delete from its product line. In the opinion of Philip Kotler, the current product mix is said to be optimal if no adjustment would enhance the company's chances of achieving its objectives. So, according to Philip Kotler, the current product mix should be such that it should consist of those products which are required by the consumers, which are necessary for them, and from the point of view of company also it is profitable. So all these products which are manufactured for customers are satisfying the customers in one side and they are fetching profits for the company in another side. So in this way it can achieve its objectives. So in optimizing the product mix, the company should maintain the right number of products which are actually required by the consumers. Finally, the determination of optimum product mix is a continuous process for a company. With the help of optimum product mix, a company can exploit its full marketing capabilities and maximize its profits. Optimum product mix gives full exposure to the management, sales force and channels of distribution of a company. So maintaining the optimum product mix is very important for the company. You can refer brand management textbooks by Sunil B. Rao, Muhammad Gauss Basa and D.N. Kumar textbook, and marketing management textbook by Venkatramana. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you.